even before we create a shape, we have to find those strands which are going to be the lightest, something we are not going to shade. So I'm using a sharp tool. It's not too sharp, but rather sharp. So I can create an indentation. You probably cannot see it very well on video, but I do leave some indentations. When I shade the hair, those indentations will become visible. I don't really need it here, I'm just showing it to you. But this is the point of those lines. They are going to help us to create three-dimensional feeling. Also, I can use this tool. I can make much deeper and more wider, I would say, wider lines, dense, to create a different sense of texture. And I also have a very sharp edge. Well, this edge I'm not going to use now. I'm going to use it at the end when we are going to make some very light, tiny strands. This is a matter of careful planning. Where do you want to put your lines?